Well, this is the interesting shot.
This is the interesting shot.
Put my cigarette I drop it.
He's got a way to think about this one. I don't blame him.
I might put this in the top left-hand pocket. It'd be a flick. You know, down the line flick, and yes, where did that come from? It's a hard shot, man.
I know it's a hard shot. I wish you'd look with it.
It's dealing in thirds this way. I can't see the pocket. I can only see the ball. I'm guessing the pocket's up there. So,
okay.
Try and cut out the guessing.
You're trying to get on the black as well, are you?
Of course.
Yeah, of course.
Really, of course, yeah. It's the creps, the zeros will throw that. Be there, baby. What a player. Why is something else?
Wow.
And black in the middle, one-handed.
Black in the middle, one-handed. If you do this, I'm giving up.
That was the idea.
I'll give up after the pink anyway. How have you got that?
I know, I'm sure I visualized it. And if you believe it, you can do all sorts.
I give up.
Okay, right on. Thank you.